In this particular question, there is two plates of parallel plate capacitor A and B. Plate A is connected with a spring having spring constant K and B is fixed. Now, a charge plus Q is placed on plate A. We have plus Q on plate A and minus Q on plate B. Now, the question is that you need to find out the elongation or extension of the spring at equilibrium. Now, as the plates are oppositely charged, there will be an attraction between the plates. As B is fixed, A will be attracted towards B. As A is attracted towards B, the spring gets elongated, and as spring gets elongated, it exerts a force. At equilibrium, the pull by B to A is equal to the pull by the spring. If we consider the electric field by one of the plate, suppose electric field of B on A is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, that is equal to Q by 2 epsilon naught A. This is the field at A. So force due to plate B on A, the electrostatic force is equal to Q times EB, that is equal to Q square by 2 epsilon naught A. At equilibrium, this electrostatic force is balanced by the spring force. The spring force, let us assume the elongation of the spring to be equal to x, so it is equal to kx. So here from we have elongation of the spring x to be equal to Q square by 2 epsilon naught A into K.